हाय गाइस, आई एम प्रियंका। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। बहुत दिन हो गए थे, कोई हॉल वीडियो नहीं आई है चैनल पे एंड मैंने भी काफ़ी टाइम से शॉपिंग नहीं की है। मैंने कुछ इसेंशियल्स और कुछ मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स ऑर्डर किए थे नायका से। बिकॉज मेकअप इसलिए क्योंकि मेरा काम है एंड आई हैव टू वर्क, तो मुझे मेकअप की ज़रूरत पड़ती है बिकॉज आई एम शूटिंग फॉर द 5 days ऑफ अ वीक। एंड ऑल्सो इसेंशियल्स इसलिए बिकॉज यू नीड इसेंशियल्स, तो इसलिए मैंने कुछ चीज़ें ऑर्डर की हैं एंड आई वांटेड टू शेयर इट विद यू ऑल। आज का जो भी ये मेकअप है, आई हैव डन इट विद दीज प्रोडक्ट्स ओनली। सो लेट्स जस्ट गेट स्टार्टेड। So when it comes to essentials, the first product is Venus Gillette Razor and किस लिए चाहिए होता है? ऑफ कोर्स सैलून्स बंद हैं, आई मीन खुल भी गए हैं तो भी अभी ऐसा लगता है कि जाना नहीं चाहिए एंड यू शुडंट गो। तो आई डोंट फील सेफ, बाकी इट्स अ पर्सनल चॉइस। So one thing about this is it has aloe strips on both the ends, ऊपर और नीचे, and it is very gentle on the skin. Also it doesn't leave your skin dry and itchy. तो आप इसको definitely check out कर सकते हो and all the links and the prices will be in the description box below, so you guys can always check that out. Also I ordered 2 of the refills of the same razor, तो ये भी नायका पे अवेलेबल था, तो आप refills भी ऑर्डर कर सकते हो इस तरीके से and you are good to go whenever you know want to do some grooming. So you know grooming important होती है guys। तो okay guys, so next है ये मैं एम कैफीन का बॉडी स्क्रब। इट इज़ नेकेड एंड रॉ कॉफ़ी बॉडी स्क्रब एंड आई यूज्ड इट टुडे। सो इट्स अ वेरी नाइस स्क्रब। आई हैव यूज्ड अ लॉट ऑफ स्क्रब्स, लाइक मैंने ब्यूटिको का भी यूज़ किया है और मैंने बाकी के स्क्रब्स भी यूज़ किए हैं बिकॉज मुझे स्ट्रॉबेरी स्किन की बहुत प्रॉब्लम है कि इनग्रोन हेयर इशू रहता है मेरी स्किन पे, सो आई नीड टू यूज़ अ स्क्रब। सो इट कम्स इन दिस काइंड ऑफ अ पैकेजिंग, सी। एक ग्लास बॉटल है ये, तो ग्लास इज़ लाइक इन्वायरमेंट फ्रेंडली है कंपेयर टू प्लास्टिक। तो ग्लास बॉटल है बट ब्रेकेबल हो सकती है, सो बी केयरफुल विद दैट। बट इफ़ यू लाइक कॉफ़ी की खुशबू, कॉफ़ी स्मेल, इट स्मेल्स एग्जैक्टली लाइक कॉफ़ी। और ग्रैन्यूल्स जो हैं इसमें, दोज आर नॉट वेरी हार्श ऑन द स्किन एंड ऑल्सो इट लीव्स द स्किन वेरी plump and very soft after the scrub, so nice one. And it comes with this kind of a spatula, so it's a good purchase. Next है rice water bright foaming cleanser by the Face Shop. So it is such a nice product. I have seen so many YouTubers and so many content creators raving about this one, but थोड़ा expensive है। इट इज़ अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 600-700 रुपीज़ का है ये। 150 ml का प्रोडक्ट मिलता है एक बारी में, प्लस एक टाइनी पी की साइज़ का एक बार में यूज़ होता है टू क्लेंज ऑल योर फेस। और क्या कहते हैं, आई यूज़ मेकअप, सो आई डू अ डबल क्लेंजिंग मेथड। तो डबल क्लेंजिंग में पहले मैं मिसेलर वाटर से क्लीन करती हूँ मेकअप को एंड देन आई गो फॉर अ फेस वॉश। सो दिस वन इज़ रियली नाइस। इससे पहले आई यूज़ टू यूज़ हिमालय नीम फेस वॉश, और वो मतलब एक्चुअली मेकअप को यू नो रिमूव कर देता है। एंड दिस वन इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी गुड एंड इट डजेंट, नीम वाले के साथ क्या प्रॉब्लम होती थी कि इट यूज टू लीव माई स्किन ड्राई आफ्टर दैट, आफ्टर वॉशिंग माई फेस। इसके साथ ऐसी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, प्लस इट्स यू नो इट लीव्स योर स्किन वेरी ब्राइट एंड वेरी यू नो क्लेंस्ड स्किन, जैसे क्ले मास्क के बाद होता है ना कि क्लीन हो जाती है स्किन, उस तरीके का इफेक्ट है इसका। एंड आई एब्सोल्युटली लव दिस वन, सो रिकमेंडेड फ्रॉम माई साइड। तो द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट इज दिस Special Care Water Sleeping Mask by Laneige. Again, this is also a high-end product और इतना सा box is for 700 rupees और it's a sleeping mask. So I've been using this mask for around 3 weeks and it is about to get over क्योंकि I use it a lot. You need to take a nice good quantity and just put it on your face. मतलब डिपेंड करता है, if you don't like too much moisturization तो आप कम भी ले सकते हो। It acts like a good moisturizer in the daytime, but sleeping mask के लिए it's very good and when you wake up you get a nice glow on your cheeks and your face basically looks fresh when you wake up. So try this one. Next है sleeping mask, lip sleeping mask. This is again from Laneige and it is such a nice product because I have a little bit of chapped lips issue, तो मुझे थोड़ी दिक्कत होती है when I don't apply a lip balm। दिन में नहीं प्रॉब्लम होती बट at times नाइट में एंड सुबह को then I feel कि dry hair lips. So I am from a dry skin type, so it's an issue. So this one is such a nice product. You get, this is also a bit expensive, like this box is for 500 rupees, but the amount of the quantity of the product you get in this one is a lot. और ये बहुत कम यूज़ होता है एट अ टाइम, क्योंकि लिप्स पर मास्क आप लाइक बहुत कम यूज़ होता है क्वांटिटी में. सो इट्स अ गुड परचेज एंड आई बीन यूजिंग इट, और अभी तक ये काफ़ी कम यूज़ हुआ है. इफ़ यू गाइज कैन जस्ट सी, तो इट इज़ अ वेरी नाइस प्रोडक्ट एंड इट smells like berries, so I love it. And also the scent is very mild, so इतनी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है जिनको सेंटेड चीज़ें नहीं पसंद आती हैं. सो इट्स अ वेरी माइल्ड स्मेल एंड वेरी नाइस फ्रेग्रेंस, सो ट्राई दिस वन. Now as rainy season has begun in Bangalore officially, रोज़ ही बारिश हो रही होती है, so I have a huge frizzy hair problem. फ्रिजी हो जाते हैं इवन आफ्टर द केराटिन ट्रीटमेंट. नाउ इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक गोइंग, मतलब पुराना टेक्सचर अभी पूरी तरीके से वापस नहीं आया, बट फ्रॉम हेयर और बैक से. तो आई नीड समथिंग, क्योंकि मुझे शूट करना होता है, और आई नीड समथिंग जो फ्रिज को हेल्प करे टू टेम द फ्रिजी हेयर. सो आई गॉट दिस वन. It's Pantene Pro V Open Hair Miracle Oil Replacement. So I use it as a serum, like when I wash my hair, so I just take a gentle amount on my hands and palms and just scrunch my hair like that, because I don't like focus straight hair. So नीचे से I like my hair to be curly. So I just scrunch my hair with this one. तो उससे जो फ्रिज है उसके लिए हेल्प मिल जाती है, प्लस यहाँ के जो बाल होते हैं एंड जो बैक के बाल होते हैं, वो उनको फ्रिज को दूर करने के लिए इट हेल्प्स अ लॉट. एंड इट इज़ अ वेरी नाइस, इसकी खुशबू बहुत अच्छी है. इट इज़ लाइक अ वेरी फ्रूटी फ्रेग्रेंस. सो इफ़ यू लाइक फ्रूटी फ्रेग्रेंस एंड इफ़ यू आर हैविंग अ प्रॉब्लम विद फ्रिज एंड फ्रिजी हेयर, तो ट्राई दिस वन. So I got another serum for my hair. It is Matrix Biolage Smooth Proof Avocado Deep Smoothing Serum. It again also helps in taming the frizzy hair. So actually when I got keratin treatment, so serum is one thing which they advised कि आपको serum तो रोज लगाना ही है. So I take a little bit of on my palm and just do this, and then I just go through the hair strands. और रात को ये करने के बाद I just comb my hair and sleep on that. The Open Hair Miracle one I use after washing, and this one I use like on an everyday basis. So also the Matrix serum, it provides a nice shine to your hair. So if you feel that you have dull hair and they are not shiny enough, वैसे तो आई वुड एडवाइज गो फॉर अ गुड डाइट, बट इवन इफ यू वांट, एट टाइम्स कभी कभी होता है कि you just don't like your hair, so just take a gentle amount and just go through your hair and you'll be good to go. So next is a moisturizer. This is by Pond's Light Moisturizer, non-oily, feel fresh. It contains vitamin E and glycerine for soft and glowing skin. So I have used the other version of this Pond's Light Gel. That was a light gel containing the hyaluronic acid. So this is the second one. So I got over with the other one, so I thought to try this one. So bought this one. Okay, so I promised last skincare product and then I'm gonna shift to the makeup one. So I got a nice high-end thing. It's the Estee Lauder Night Repair Serum. I hope you guys have seen this. I wanted to try this from such a long time, and I remember I went to Sephora once when things were normal and I tried it there, but I liked it. And I basically, when I buy something new for my skin, I try travel size for the first time, like chotu bottle lo sabse pehle, and then try it on your skin. If it suits you, then invest in a bigger bottle or bigger tub, So I wanted to try it, but it was out of stock there. So have been meaning to try this for the longest time, but couldn't. So I ordered this one from Nykaa, and it is the smallest bottle. It is, but it's a quite expensive product. Like this much of bottle is for 1250 rupees, 7 ml quantity. Then you have 15 ml, and then you have, I guess, 30 ml. So it's like 4000 ki hai wo biggest bottle. So I thought of trying this one. It is for 1200 something. So I've heard a lot of reviews about this product, so I hope this works well for me. And if you want to see a complete review on this one, then comment down below and I'll make a video on it. Okay, so now comes the makeup thingy. So all of the products, like 99% of the products are from K Beauty, and two products are actually different. So the first one is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. It's a concealer and I have already used it. So it's my second, second purchase. And I love this one, this product. If you want to invest in a nice concealer, then do try this one and you are good to go. Like for filming, I obviously wear this every time, and it is such a nice, it has different shades, so just check out which shade would suit you and just buy this one, and you will be like sorted for the concealer thing. It is such a good product and doesn't feel very heavy on your skin, doesn't feel very light on your skin. Like it does the work, it does the job, and it is a medium to high coverage concealer. So like most of the time it is a high coverage concealer. Like if you got very heavy dark circles, then you can definitely check out this one. The second product is a white eyeliner. It is by Blue Heaven Sparkling White Eyeliner. And as many of you must know that white eyeliners are in these days because of Ariana Grande, and so wanted to get my hands on one, so got this one. It's a very nice product and it is very cheap product. I got it for 70 or 80 rupees, but the print rate is 105, so I got this one for 70 or 80, and it has a nice quantity. Like you can see the bottle size is nice. Okay, so now I got a bunch of K Beauty stuff, so quickly I'm gonna start reviewing, start telling you what I got. There was some offer going on K Beauty last week, so did some shopping. So the first thing is that I had been having a lot of dark circles issue, and I didn't want to put up heavy makeup every day. So a few days when concealer does the thing, those are the days, right? But my concealer was not able to do justice with those dark circles because बहुत ही ज़्यादा बुरा हाल हो चुका था. And you must have noticed on my Instagram videos कि eyes used to look very very tired. So I got this color correcting thing. This is K Beauty's pigmentation correcting undercover color corrector stick enriched with marula oil and vitamin C. So vitamin C is very nice for your skin. So got this pencil kind of thing, and the packaging is plastic. Packaging is nice but not like the lipsticks and the color corrector thing are of the same packaging, so it's a bit confusing. So they could have worked a little bit on the packaging, but still the product is nice. I used it today, so I hope if you guys can see the difference. So it's not a retractable. One thing I am disappointed about, that I need to sharpen it every time. It gets a little bit of difficult thing because if you have a retractable pencil, then you got a nice product. So anyhow, the product is nice, the pigmentation is good, and this is the swatch. So it has a very nice the pigmentation, and the texture is very nice. So try this one. Basically, when you at times what happens is that when you apply a concealer, it turns gray and it oxidizes and turns gray, so your dark circles look even more darker. So you need to color correct your pigmentation areas, and then you can just put on a concealer and you are good to go. Like I am not wearing a foundation today, and you can see the difference. Only a concealer, and I did some color correcting thing, and I was ready for the shoot. So next is the eyeshadow stick by K Beauty again. Now all the stuff is from K Beauty. So it is Metal Show eyeshadow stick enriched with ceramide and macadamia oil. So it's in the shade, it is mentioned very chotu sa yahan par. So this is the stick, and it's in the shade Blushed Moonlight. It is in the shade Blushed Moonlight. So swatch na. So this is the color. Oh, it's such a nice eyeshadow color. You see, So one thing I like about this eyeshadow stick is that it is very convenient to use, and you just need to like put on the eyeshadow thing and just smudge it with your fingers and you're good to go. You don't need a lot of stuff, and these shades are very nice. It is very convenient, but again, this is not retractable and you need to sharpen it, so it's a little bit of a hassle when it comes to a sharpener and pencil thingy. So that is the drawback. But when it comes to the pigment is really nice. And so I use the same pencil, but not this shade, the other shade, which I'm going to show you next. But talking about this, so it has a very nice pigment. And okay, so the next one is the amethyst. So it's again an eyeshadow pencil, and this is how it looks. The shade is again mentioned here, and it's again a non-retractable pencil kind of a thing. And I used it this today. This shade I've used today. And one thing I felt about this one, that it is so highly pigmented, but when I was trying to blend it with the brush, so it was just going off. I didn't expect this from a product which was this pigmented, but I wasn't able to blend properly. Maybe I am not used to these kind of products, so it might take some time for me to figure out the right way. But I felt a little bit like when I use the eyeshadow palette, so that's a bit convenient for me. This is definitely a convenient product because you need to carry one pencil and you don't need a brush basically. But again, when you need to blend and when you need to create different eye looks, so you need a brush and you need other colors. So I don't know, I have to work with these and get hands-on on these products, and then I would be able to give you a nice feedback on this one. But till now I am like okayish on this, giving the price point. And the swatch, of course, the swatch. So this is how it looks. Next are two eyeliners which I got from the K Beauty again. One is in black and the other one is sizzling mocha. One is black canvas and the other one is sizzling mocha, and I wore this one, the black one, today. So it has a nice bottle. The structure of the packaging is really nice, and it has a nice wand too. So if you want to make a winged liner or something like that, so the wand is really nice. I hope you guys can see the pigment is really nice. So long lasting thing I need to check, but the other things I like this one. The other one is the brown. I've been wanting a brown eyeliner for the longest time, and there was this offer going on that if you buy for this much amount and then you will get a lip crayon free with that. So thought of giving it a try this time. So brown one is also of the same kind of, the packaging is same. So this is how, oh, it's a very nice color. I hope the camera is catching. Also, as the offer suggested, so I got one product as a free thing from K. So it's a lip crayon, and this is how it looks. People have been raving about this one too. So this is how it looks. It's a nice shade and it's very, very pigmented, and the texture is really nice. So the shade which I got is Autograph, and would love to try this one. People have been talking about the long lasting thing of these lipsticks, so want to try this one. So from this haul, I wanted to clear one thing, that I am not telling you to buy stuff online or buy any kind of stuff. Even if the lockdown is over, the situation is not good, so I'm not asking you to buy stuff, but if you want to buy some essentials or something like that, then you can definitely check out on Nykaa and just buy stuff from there. But I would suggest you guys to keep the stuff for isolation for at least 72 hours and then open the packages and try out this stuff. Don't just open it the same day. Okay guys, so these were the products from Nykaa which I ordered, and I hope you guys like this video. If you like it, then do comment down below that which product reviews would you like to see, or any of the products you use from this haul, and do let me know in the comments down below. And also Do subscribe to my channel, hit the little bell icon, and also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is exponentialyou, and I have been putting a lot of content on Instagram, very fun and very cute content on Instagram. So go check out my Instagram profile, and if you feel like, then do follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you next time. Bye.